What if I told you that it's so easy to find the job? Not only any job, the job which you really want to do, which is paying you wonderful money, is helping you enhance your skills, whatever you have learned in your life, to find the job that feels like a beautiful, wonderful song. When every time you go to that workplace, you are so happy, you are so delighted. That work environment is wonderful. Everything is so good. There is no politics, no pulling each other's leg. Everybody is growing wonderfully. And you might wonder, how is that possible? It is. It is possible with this amazing, amazing switch word. And the switch word is, let me know if you knew about this before or you are hearing it for the first time. And the switch word is bring light charm. So in this video, we will be infusing switch word, crystals, symbols, and of course, Reiki healing. Combine everything together, you will be getting or manifesting or finding a wonderful job which ticks all your boxes and which makes your heart sing. Let's not delay it. Let's start from now. Bring light charm. Are you ready? So first we will start with symbols. So I would be doing the symbols, then we would be saying the words. If you have not done the switch word before, it's a wonderful way to invoke that switch, to tell your subconscious what is it that you are looking for in your life. So let's start with the symbols. Bring light charm. Now keep saying this switch word phrase together. Bring light charm. 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 So for few seconds or minutes, I would be doing the bells. I want you not to stop. Keep saying it, please. How did that feel when you were saying it? Bring light charm. In this video, we will be manifesting it with the help of water. So if you would like, pause the video, get a glass of water. Bring light charm. Thank you for getting it. Bring light charm and get excited for that wonderful job which you are dreaming for, which you are looking for, which you know that it suits you so well. It suits your personality, your education, your interests. It helps you to enhance your skills, to grow, to progress, to see yourself at that level which you always want to. Bring light charm. If you are not aware about switchword helps you to create, to manifest that life you desire. When you are saying a switch word, it switches on something into your subconscious. So you are telling your subconscious it's possible. Bring me that job. I am ready for it. Tell the universe, tell law of attraction, I am ready. I am absolutely 100% ready for it. I have somebody over the internet who is rooting for me and her name is Tejal. Bring light charm. Please don't stop while I am saying something else. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. I have created a whole playlist of switchword combined with Reiki, crystal symbols, all that beautiful, lovely, wonderful energy. When you are combining switchword with crystals, with Reiki, with healing, with water manifestation, you have no idea how much quickly, how much fast You are magnifying your manifestation process. Bring light charm. 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 So if you could not get the glass of water, is the right time is now. Get the glass of water, and if you already did, well done. We're halfway there. Let's do this water manifestation. So water remembers everything. I have created a whole playlist in Hindi, in Gujarati and English about water manifestation. Let me tell you in brief, water remembers everything. There was an experiment done and it shows that whatever kind of emotions or feelings or word we are giving it to water, water remembers it. So now, because we are creating that wonderful, beautiful, amazing job for ourselves, hold the glass of water with lots of love. Everything works when it is done with love. Trust me on that. And now you can deep breathe, relax yourself, take off all the doubt. Don't tell me that it didn't work. Don't tell me that I applied 10,000 times. It's okay. Today is a new day. Today is a fresh day. And we are ready to do it. So let's go with that dedication. Let's go with that positive attitude that yes, I can do it. Yes, this is for me. Ready? Clear? Okay, let's do it. So with the glass of water, we are going to manifest that wonderful job. What you are going to do is just give lots of love and say bring light charm. If you would like, you can look at the water and see the place where you are working. Look at yourself wearing that clothes or the uniform or whatever they have at a workplace. Maybe that same company which you always dreamt to work. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Keep saying it with lots of conviction, with lots of faith and belief. Do not put a single percent if, buts. We don't want that. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Once you are ready, drink this water and trust me, the water is going to taste so different, so wonderful, so yummy. Let me know in the comments, how did you find it? It's a beautiful way to manifest with water, with juice, with tea, coffee. You can hold them for a few seconds when you are having something and keep saying the word. Bring light charm. You can say it on your food. Bring light charm. Write down on your hand, on your books, on your job application. Draw it in the in the what is it called, like from the distance, draw it. Please let me know what is it called. I forgot. Bring light charm. 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 So there is a whole playlist for Switchword. There is a beautiful playlist for Sai Baba healing. I have also created a Reiki for job, Reiki for interview. You would be able to find everything in description, in the comments. If for any reason you can't find it, do comment and I will share it with you. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Also let me know where are you connecting from, which part of the world you are connecting from. Are you my existing subscriber or you just found me today? Bring light charm. 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 How about we give some love to the job? Bring light charm. Why not? Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Bring light charm. Bring light. Doesn't matter how you are sounding. Let me know what do you say. How do you say it in your own language? Bring light charm. 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 Bring light. Don't stop. You can say it in the morning, you can say it in the evening. If you like, play this video as many times as possible. Play it in the loop to get the maximum benefits. You can play it in the background. Bring light charm, bring light charm, bring light charm. Keep saying it. Bring light charm, bring light charm, bring light charm, bring light charm. Bring light charm, 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 bring light charm. It's so nice and it's rhyming and it's beautiful, it's wonderful. Please let me know once you get the job. Okay? Promise you will let me know when you get the job. Come here, come back to this video, come and tell me that you have got the job. I'll be so happy. Bring light charm, bring light charm, bring light charm, bring light charm, bring light charm. Whispering voice, loud voice, whichever way you want to say it. Bring light charm, bring light charm. You can write down on a piece of paper, put it underneath your pillow. You can keep this as a wallpaper for your phone. There are so many different ways. You can be as creative as possible. Bring light charm, bring light charm. Write down on your hand. Bring light charm on the books, on your food, on the wall, like in air, of course. Bring light charm, 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 bring light charm. I'm rooting for you. All the best, best wishes. Have strong faith, have strong belief. This will happen. Make sure you check all the other Switchword playlist to understand it more better if you are new to Switchword, if you are new to Reiki, crystals. So single playlist works wonderfully. We have done a phrase, Switchword phrase. Now we have combined with crystals, with Reiki, with symbols, with prayer, with everything. There's nothing in the world that can stop you from finding that desired, that most wonderful, that lovely job of yours. Congratulations for getting the job of your desire. Congratulations, 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 congratulations. See yourself going to work. See yourself enjoying, loving, flourishing, progressing, earning lovely, handsome amount of money. Beautiful amount of money. Bring. Thank you so much for receiving. Thank you.